I am Chandrashanti. Today I am explaining Junior Intermediate Maths Paper 1. Chapter 1, first chapter is Functions. Functions is a special case of a relation. Before we are discussing about functions, we have to know some subtopics. Those are sets, ordered pair, Cartesian product, relation, and functions. Sets. We are discussed about sets in a 10th class. Sets is a collection of well-defined elements. Suppose set of a natural numbers n equal 1, 2, 3 dash dash. These are set of natural numbers. Next, set of whole numbers. All these are sets. Next, ordered pair. Ordered pair is a two sets. Suppose A and B are two sets. Small a belongs to capital A. Let A and B are two sets. Then A belongs to A and B belongs to capital B. Then A comma B is called an ordered pair. Next, Cartesian products. Cartesian product is, let A and B are two sets. Then set of ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to B and A belongs to A and B belongs to capital B is called a Cartesian product. Suppose we are taking one example by using Venn diagrams. I will explain. Here capital A is one set and capital B is another set. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there and suppose x comma y. Means A equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 and B equal to x comma y. So Cartesian products means ఈ సెట్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ కూడా బిలోని ఎలిమెంట్ తోటి రిలేషన్ అయి ఉండాలి. సో ఏ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎక్స్ అండ్ 1 ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎక్స్ అండ్ 1 ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు వై అండ్ 2 ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎక్స్ అండ్ 2 ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు వై 3 ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎక్స్ అండ్ 3 ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు వై. వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ యాజ్ ordered pair 1 comma x A cross B equal to 1 comma x 1 comma ordered pair 1 comma y and ordered pair 2 comma x ordered pair 2 comma y and ordered pair 3 comma x and ordered pair 3 comma 1. This is the Cartesian product A cross B. So here next one, relation. Next, relation. Relation is a subset of a Cartesian products. Suppose R is a relation. R is subset of Cartesian products A comma B. A cross B. So here one comma x ordered pair 1 comma x and 1 comma y is a subset of Cartesian product. So this is a relation R equal to x. So next, functions. Next, functions. Let A and B are two sets. F is related from A to B if small a belongs to capital A if for every small a belongs to capital A, there exists a unique small b belongs to capital B is called a function, denoted as f from A to B, and here A is called domain and B is called codomain. Suppose, for example, A and B are two sets. So here A belongs to capital A and small b. And Aలోని అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్కి రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ స్మాల్ ఏ. సో హియర్ స్మాల్ ఏ బిలాంగ్స్ టు క్యాపిటల్ ఏ. ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ బి తోటి రిలేటెడ్ అయినట్లయితే దాన్ని మనం ఫంక్షన్ అంటాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ 1 2 3 1 సెట్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై. ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ బిలోని ఎలిమెంట్ తోటి రిలేటెడ్ అయి ఉండాలి. అయినట్లయితే మనకు అది ఫంక్షన్ అవుతుంది. ఏలో ఏ ఒక్క ఎలిమెంటు రిలేటెడ్ అయినట్లు లేనట్లయితే, ఏ ఎలిమెంటు రిలేటెడ్ అవ్వకపోతే అది మనకు ఒక ఫంక్షన్ అవ్వదు. సో ఎవ్రీ ఎలిమెంట్, ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంటు ఒక బిలోని ఎలిమెంట్ తోటి, బిలోని సెట్, బి సెట్లోని ఎలిమెంట్స్ తోటి రిలేటెడ్ అయి ఉండాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫంక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ here A is called domain and B is called codomain. A లోని ప్రతి 1 2 3 B set x y. సో ఈ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా, ఏలోని ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నిటినీ మనం డొమైన్ అంటాము, బిలోని అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ని కూడా మనం కోడొమైన్ అంటాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఇమేజ్ and pre-image. Suppose f from A to B and small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. So A B, small b, A related to B, A is related to B. Then here f of A equal to B. So here B is an image of f of A. B is an image of A. So here B is an image of A under F. And pre-image. Pre-image means A equal to F inverse of B. So here A is pre-image of B. So A is pre-image or inverse image of B under F. A అనేది Bకి ఇమేజ్ అవుతుంది, B అనేది Aకి ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ అవుతుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ రేంజ్. Range means, suppose A and B are any two sets or f from A to B, then f of A equal to B is where f of A equal to set of f of A such that A belongs to B is called range. And means, suppose take one example, A B. A equal to set of 1 2 3, B equal to set of x comma y. So here 1 2 3, x, y. A is mapped from A is related to x and 2 is related to y and 3 is also related to y. So here these are f of A. So these are all range. Types of functions. First one, injection. Second one, surjection. Next, bijection. First one, injection. Let f from A to B. A and B are two sets. Then distinct elements have distinct images in B. So the distinct elements in A have distinct images in B. That is, ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి బీలో ఎలిమెంట్తో ఇమేజ్, ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి ఇమేజ్ ఉండాలి. సో సపోజ్ ఏ అండ్ బి ఆర్ టూ సెట్స్. సపోజ్ సెట్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు 1, 2, 3 and b equal to a, b, c. So 1, 2, 3 a, b, c. So A related, 1 related to A and 2 related to B and 3 related to C. అంటే ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి బిలోని ఎలిమెంట్తో మనకి రిలేషన్ ఉన్నట్లయితే దాన్ని మనం ఇంజెక్షన్ అంటాం. సో హియర్ A1 is not equal to A2, then f of A1 is not equal to f of A2. Here two conditions are there. So and one more condition, if f of A1 equal to f of A2 implies A1 equal to A2. So this is injection. అంటే ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్తో బిలోని ఎలిమెంట్కి ఇమేజ్ ఉండాలి. ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ నుంచి ఇమేజ్ ఉంటే దాన్ని ఇంజెక్షన్ అంటాం. లెట్ from A to B, A and B are two sets, then range of A is equal to codomain. Suppose range F is equal to codomain. So here suppose for example A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to x, y. So here A, B, 1, 2, 3, x, y, 1, 2. Suppose here 3 have no mapping. So then it should not be a function. So one more mapping is there. So here x, y is a range. Range equal to x comma y. And codomain also x comma y. Set of codomain equal to set of x comma y. So here range and codomain are equal. So this is surjection. Next, bijection. Bijection means a bijection is a function which is satisfies injection and surjection, both function satisfies, that is called bijection. So bijection is to satisfy injection and bijection, both conditions. This is called bijection. Next function, equality function. Constant function. And identity function. First, equality function. Let F and G are two sets, two functions, are two functions. Then the domain of F and G are equal. Then the domain of F and domain of G are equal. And second condition, range of F and range of G are equal. That is f of x equal to g of x. If satisfies these two conditions, then we will call as equality function. Suppose, for example, we will take f from a to b and g from a to c. Suppose a, b. Here 1, 2, 3, x, y. So here a, c. One is mapped from x, 2 is related to x and 3 is related to y. Like this 1, 2, 3. And x, y, z. And a is related to 2 is related to y and 3 is related to y. 1 is related to x, 2 is related to x and 3 is related to y. So here domains, domain of f, domain of g are same. And here range equal to set of x comma y, and here also range equal to set of x comma y. So here ranges are equal, domains are equal. So this is satisfies equality function condition. Next, constant function. Constant function. Constant function, let f from a to b f of a equal to one and only one element is c. So range have only one element. Suppose let set a equal to 1, 2, 3 and b equal to x. So 1, 2, 3 x. So a, b. One mapped, 1 is related to x and 2 is related to y and 3 is related. And here range equal to only one and only one element x. So this is called constant function. So next, one more condition, one more definition, identity function. Identity function. Identity function means let a and B are two sets and F from A to B, then f of x equal to x. F from A to A and f of x equal to x is an identity function. So, ఏలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్తో ఇమేజ్ అయి ఉన్నట్లయితే దాన్ని మనం ఐడెంటిటీ ఫంక్షన్ అంటాం. సపోజ్ సెట్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 image 1 2 image 2 3 image 3. So this is called identity function. So here identity function equal to 1 1 2 2 3 3 ordered pair. So this is called an identity function. Now we will discuss chapter exercise 1 is 1a, first Roman first problem. If the function f is denoted by f of x plus 1 x plus 2, if x is greater than 1, 2 minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, and x minus 1 minus 3 is less than x is less than minus 1. Then find the values of f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5, f of 2, like this given. So first here conditions given. X plus 2 when x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means x values all, we will take all positive numbers, 2, 3, dash dash infinite numbers will come. And here condition minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1. So the values will be, so x equal to minus 1 equal to given, so minus 1 also we have to take. So minus 1 and minus 0.9 minus 0.8 like this 0 and 0.1 0.2 like dash dash 1. And here minus 3 is less than, x is less than minus 1. So here x value should be minus 2.9 minus 2.8 dash dash 2 2.1 1.9 minus 1.1 minus 1.8 dash dash minus 1.1. So f of 3. So here first problem f of 3. Here x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 means we have to take first condition. So x plus 1, we have to substitute f of x equal to x plus 2. So f of 3 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Next, second problem, f of 0. F of 0 means in this condition. 0 is in this condition 0. So we have to take second condition. So f of 0 equal to 2 only. Next, third problem, f of minus 1.5. F of minus 1.5 means that is in this condition. We have to take this equation. So algebraic expression we have to take this one. So f of minus 1.5 equal to f of x equal to x minus 1. So f of 1 minus 1.5 equal to minus 1.5 minus 1 equal to minus 2.5. Both are minus. So we have to add and take negative symbol. Next, fourth problem, f of 2 plus f of minus 2. So 2 means first we have to take for first condition and minus 2. minus 2, you have to take third condition. So f of 2 equal to first condition, f of 2, x plus, substitute 2 values. So 2 plus 2 plus minus 2. Minus 2 means that is in third condition. So minus 2 minus 1. So that equal to 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So next fifth problem, f of minus 5. So not exist. Here any case positive 5 is there but minus 5 is not there. So not existing. Now you understood? First we have to check which algebraic expression is available. We have to take that one. Okay. If f from r minus 0 set minus r is defined by f of x equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube, then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to 0. First take answer LHS. F of x plus f of 1 by x. See here f of x equal to given x cube minus 1 by x cube, that equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube plus f of 1 by x. In place of x we have to substitute 1 by x. So 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by x whole cube. So here x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x whole cube equal to 1 by x cube we can write. So here 1 by x cube and 1 by x whole cube equal to 1 by x cube. Taking reciprocal 1 into x cube by 1. So we can write x cube. So minus x cube. So x cube minus plus x cube get cancelled and minus 1 by x cube and 1 by x cube get cancelled. Then we can get 0. So equation solved. Next third problem. F from R to R is defined by f of x equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Then show that f of tan theta equal to cos 2 theta. So solution. F of tan theta. We have to substitute tan theta in place of x square. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Substitute here. So 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Here taking LCM. So here denominator cos square theta 1. Denominator also 1. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the cos square. So cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos squared theta. So cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. That equal to taking reciprocal cos squared theta minus sin squared theta by cos squared theta. Taking reciprocal this one. So we can get cos squared theta by cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. Cos squared theta get cancelled. Implies we know that cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equal to 1. So cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. So cos squared theta minus sin squared theta equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, next. If f from r minus set of plus r minus 1 tends to r is defined by f of x equal to log modulus of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 into f of x. Solution. So here given f of x value, we have to find this one. So first we have to take LHS. F of 2x by 1 plus x square. F of x value given log of 1 plus x by like this. So in place of x value, we have to substitute this. So log of 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square equal to log of taking LCM. So 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. So here log of taking reciprocal. Here we know that 1 plus x square a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square for, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a equal to 1 and b equal to x. So 1 square equal to 1 and b square equal to x square. 2ab equal to 2x. So we can write as 1 plus x whole square by 1 plus x square. We are taking reciprocal this value. So 1 plus x square by, this is 1 means 1 square equal to 1 and b square equal to x square minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into x equal to minus 2x. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So 1 minus x whole square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled. So log of log modulus of 1 plus x whole square by 1 minus x whole square. So log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. So we can write as 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. We know that log a power m equal to m into a power m. m into log a. Like this we have to write. So here 2 You can write like this. So 2 into log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So that equal to 2 into log 1 plus x by 1 minus x equal to f of x. So 2 into f of x. So LH equal to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Fifth problem. If A equal to set of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and F from A to B is a surjection defined by f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1. Then find B. So here surjection means range and codomains are both are equal. So solution. Set A given. So suppose for example A given minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 given. So A లోని Bలో ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ రేంజ్ కోడొమైన్ సేమ్గా ఉండాలి. మనకి ఏ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారు, డొమైన్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారు, కోడొమైన్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1. Substitute these all values in this equation. So in this expression. So f of minus 2. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus 1. That equal to minus 2 whole square equal to minus plus. So 2 square means 4. Minus 2 plus 1. That equal to 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Next, f of minus 1 equal to substitute in this expression. So minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. So here minus 1 whole square equal to 1 and plus into minus equal to minus 1 plus 1. So here minus plus get cancelled, so we can get 1. Next, f of 0. F of 0 equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 1. So 0 square 0, so we can get 1. Next, f of 1. F of 1 equal to substitute in this expression 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Next, f of 2. So 2 square plus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. So here f of minus 2 ranges 3, 1 and 7. So here f of 2 equal to minus f of 2 equal to 3 and f of minus 1 equal to 1 and f of 0 equal to 1 and f of 1 equal to 3 and f of 2 equal to 7. So therefore B equal to set of 3, 1, 7. If A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and f from A to R is a function defined by f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. Then find range of f. F we have to find. So, solution. We have to substitute all these values in this expression. So, f of x given. F of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. So, here f of, first we have to take 1. F of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. That equal to minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 1 by 2. Next, f of 2. F of 2 equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 3. That equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. Next, f of 3. 3 square minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. That equal to 3 square means 9. 9 minus 3 plus 1 by 4. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 4. Next, f of 4 equal to 4 square minus 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. So here 4 4s are 16 minus 4 plus 1 by 5. That equal to 12 plus 1, 13 by 5. So range equal to range of f. Range equal to set of 1 by 2, 1, 7 by 4 and 13 by 5.